Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically get YouTube channel stats, views and subscribers on your WhatsApp every day. So let's take an example that you have a YouTube channel, okay, and every day you go to your channel for watching the views and subscribers data. Now you want that this channel stats, views plus subscribers data should come to your WhatsApp number automatically. But how is this possible? Because there is no direct connection between YouTube and WhatsApp. So how your YouTube channel stats are going to come on WhatsApp? Here we are going to use Pabbly Connect as a solution. So Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in creating an integration between YouTube and WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So by creating the integration between YouTube and WhatsApp, automatically the channel stats, views plus subscriber data will come on the WhatsApp number. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my subscriber data and this is my views data. I want this particular subscriber data and my view count should be sent on the WhatsApp number. So I'll just take you to my WhatsApp account and here you can see a message. Hello Anisha, the Pabbly app's YouTube channel stats as of today are as below. Total views is this and total subscriber is 56. Good luck with your goal of 100 million monthly views. So here you might be wondering that how did I manage to send the channel views and the subscribers data on my WhatsApp account over here. So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. Step 1. Connect your YouTube account with Pabbly Connect. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and YouTube. Step 2. Collect the data from YouTube, channel stats and Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from YouTube, your channel stats, that is views plus subscribers data. Step 3. Send the same data to 360 Dialog for sending messages on WhatsApp. So at step 3, whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from YouTube, the same data will be sent to 360 Dialog and the message will be sent on the WhatsApp number. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between YouTube and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type pabbly pabbly.com in our browser. Okay, the page is getting loaded. Okay, this is the website of Pabbly. Here you have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on sign in. Here in the all apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as send YouTube channel stats on WhatsApp. Okay, so here I have given the workflow name as send YouTube channel stats on WhatsApp. You can give any workflow name as per your requirement. And now let's click on create. Now here you can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that automatically your YouTube channel stats should come on the WhatsApp number. Here we have to create a scheduler because we want the channel stats to come on WhatsApp number on everyday basis. Okay. So here in the application, we are going to select schedule by Pabbly. Now here we can see in schedule by Pabbly, it is showing the option how often you want to run your workflow. So we want to run this workflow on everyday basis. So here we can select everyday. If you want to just run it once, you can select this option. Or if you want to specify some regular intervals, you can select this option. Okay, I am just selecting every day. Now here we have to select the time at which time we want to run this workflow. So I'll just give the time as 7 a.m. in the morning. I want the messages to be at 7 a.m. in the morning on my WhatsApp number. Here we have to give, please insert the time in UTC time format only. So we have to give the time in UTC format, okay? And now let's click on save. Successfully scheduled. Okay. So now here our scheduler is ready and we are going to get at 7 a.m. the WhatsApp message. Now we want to get the channel stats. For that I'll just click on this add application. Here in the action application we are going to select YouTube. In the action event we are going to select get channel stats. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with YouTube. Now here we have to choose an account, in which account we have created our YouTube account. So I'll just choose the account from here. Here again it wants the access, Pabbly Connect Videos wants to access your Google account. Okay, I'll just click on continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. Okay, and now YouTube account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Here we have to give YouTube channel ID. So I'll just take you to my channel dashboard, and from here we can copy the channel ID. I'll just simply copy this channel ID. I'll go to Pabbly Connect and here I'll be pasting the channel ID. Okay, and now let's click on save and send test request. Here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the channel are captured over here. Okay, we can see the channel name, that is Pabbly Apps, its description is mentioned, its published at date and time is mentioned, and we can see the title, we can see the view count, the subscriber count, all the data, video count, everything related to the channel is captured over here. Now we want to send this particular data to WhatsApp account. For that again we have to click on this add application plus sign. Here in the action window we have to select 360 dialog. In the action event we have to select send template message. Click on connect. Here again we have to click on add new connection. Now here it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account, log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So I'll take you to my 360 dialog account first and then we'll be going to WhatsApp account page. I'll just click on 360 dialog. So this is the dashboard of 360 dialog. I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 dialog application and get 360 dialog service at a very affordable price. Now here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts. Click on this. Here we can find an option generate API key. You have to click on this option and you have to generate a API key over here. Okay. I have already generated the API key. I will be using the same API key for this workflow. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for different workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. So I'll just go to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste the API key over here. Now it is asking for the domain. Let us read the instruction again. Let us enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. An example is also given, https://waba. So I'll simply copy this, I'll paste it over here. Okay. So whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In case you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. Now you have to click on save. So I already have a connection with this API key and domain name. So I'll be choosing my existing connection. You have to create a new connection. Please enter the API key and domain name and then click on save. I'll just choose my existing connection and I'll click on save. And now here we can see that 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see a template option. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number. Okay. So here we cannot send the direct messages directly on WhatsApp. So we have to use a specific template over here, and we have to get that template approved first. So I'll again go to my 360 Dialog account, and here we can find the option manage templates. I'll just click on this. Now here you can see I have created so many templates over here and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come here, click on this plus sign, add template, and you can create the template from here. Now here let us select my template. Template is YouTube channel updates. I'll be selecting this one, and I'll just open this. Here I have given the template as hello. Here my name is going to reflect because I want the message on my WhatsApp number. If you want to send it to some other person, you have to give that name over here. The dash YouTube channel stats as of today are below. The views and the subscriber data will be mentioned over here. Last 24 hours. Good luck with your goal of 100 million monthly views. So we are going to use this particular template, that is YouTube_channel_updates. I'll go to Pabbly Connect, and here we have to give the template. Let us select YouTube_channel_updates. Now here we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. The language code is English. Now here we have to give the recipient mobile number. So I'll just give the mobile number. And let us read the instruction also. Enter the recipient mobile number with country code, example, +91 and the mobile number. So as we are in India, we have to add +91 in front of the number. So I'll just add +91 and then I'll just give the mobile number. Okay. Now here we want to give the name body field 1, example John. So in our template also the name was required. As I want to send the message to myself on my number itself, so I'll just give my name as Smitha. And if you want to send it to some other person, you can give the name of that person over here. Okay. Now here body field 2 is required. Here we have to give the name of our channel. So our channel name is Pabbly Apps. So I'll be giving this over here. Just type Pabbly, Pabbly Apps. Okay. Here body field 3, example is also given. So here body field 3 in our template, it was total views count. Okay, so we have to give the third parameter now, the views count. So I'll just get it from YouTube stats, and here we can find the views count, that is this one, statistics view count. Okay. Now here body field in our template, we require it as total subscriber count, fourth parameter. So we have to map the subscriber count now, which we have got from YouTube channel over here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. This details we are mapping now, view count and the subscriber count, that is 56. Okay. So we have already mapped the view count. Now let us map the subscriber count also. And here the subscriber count is 56. Okay. And now let's click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the responses received. Okay. So now let's check the WhatsApp whether we have received a message over there or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp. Yes, here we can see a new message. Let's open this. Hello Smitha. The Pabbly Apps YouTube channel stats as of today are as below. The views are given. The subscriber data is given. Good luck with your goal of 100 million monthly views. Okay, so we have received the message, and in this way we can see that we have created the successful integration. Okay, I'll go to Pabbly Connect again and I'll just save this workflow. Data saved successfully. Okay, so now let us check this in the real time. So as of now, I'll just go to my UTC time and check what is the UTC time in India right now. I'll refresh this page, and here we can see 7:07 a.m. So I'll just give the time as 7:09 a.m. and it will run in the real time. Okay, I'll go to Pabbly Connect, and here I'll just give the time as 7:09 a.m. and let's click on save. And now we have to see that at 7:09 a.m. do we receive any WhatsApp message on the WhatsApp number or not here. And now here we can see the time is 7:09 a.m. I'll just go to my WhatsApp account, and here I'll just refresh this page. Before refreshing itself, we can see a new message. Hello Smitha, the Pabbly Apps YouTube channel stats as of today are as below. Views and subscriber count. Good luck with your goal of 100 million monthly views. Okay, so here we can see that our integration is working fine and our scheduler is also working fine. So let us move back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that on everyday basis, our YouTube channel stats should come on the WhatsApp number. Here we have applied a scheduler so that a specific day and a time can be specified. Here we have taken the channel stats from our YouTube account, and then we have created the integration with WhatsApp using 360 dialog account. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between YouTube and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of this workflow and Pabbly Connect is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.